Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and 4 ounces of club soda. Having these ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable cocktail-making experience. Fresh ingredients truly make all the difference in your mojito's flavor. Now, let's get to the fun part, muddling. Place your 10 to 12 mint leaves and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release the mint's fragrant oils without tearing the leaves. Over-muddling can make your drink bitter. Next, pour in your 2 ounces of white rum and 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Give it a good stir to blend everything beautifully. With our base mixed, it's time for ice. Fill your glass completely with crushed ice. Crushed ice is ideal for mojitos as it chills the drink quickly and provides a pleasant texture. Then, carefully top off your glass with 4 ounces of crisp club soda. Give it one final, gentle stir to ensure the club soda is well incorporated without losing too much fizz. This step brings all the elements together perfectly. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Garnish your delicious mojito with a vibrant mint sprig and a fresh lime wedge. For an extra burst of aroma, gently slap the mint sprig between your palms before placing it in the glass. Serve your mojito immediately to enjoy its crisp, refreshing taste at its best. Cheers to your perfectly crafted, easy-to-make mojito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.